dash dot 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 dash dot.
Hi, my name is Samuel Morris. I was born in Charlestown, Massachusetts on Wednesday, April 27, 1791. The places I have lived at are Poughkeepsie, Boston, and Charlestown. I invented Morse code. Morse code is an alphabet or code in which letters are represented by combinations of long and short signals of light or sound. Here is a picture of Morse code. I came up with the idea of Morse code while on a ship traveling back to the United States from Europe in 1832. The reason I invented Morse code is because there was a need for a mode of communication that was fast and easy. Here's an example of what communicating was like before I invented Morse code. Morse code made communicating a lot easier and quicker. When I invented Morse code, it changed the way we communicate dramatically compared to life before 1832. Morse code was the first form of communication that could be almost instant across a long distance. It let people know information right away, and also important information could be received and responded to quickly. Here is a picture of people using